Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this beautiful Wi-Fi range extender. Yes, it's a very small but very useful, and it's not going to cost a lot. You can see that the box is really nicely designed. The company is called Wavlink, and it is Wi-Fi range extender, and it's really nicely packaged. We're going to unbox it, and once everything is out, the components that are part of this RJ45 or Ethernet cable. It also comes with a nice quick start guide that will give you a lot of things in detail. So this is the Wi-Fi extender. This is how it looks. It has a really nice design to the front. Their logo is on the top, and also you have a button. You can hear it when I click on it. And also it has a little LED indicator inside of it. Once we connect it, you will be able to see that. Go to the one side of it, you have a nice antenna, and on the other side too. So this way, this will be able to connect you and also get signal and broadcast back the signal. Doesn't matter 2.4 or 5G network. Going here is some holes for ventilation. Going on the bottom part of it is where you're going to be able to connect a landline. So that way you're going to be able to connect this as a AP, or we call it access point, and also have a little reset button. Now there's two ways to reset it. One's through the software. Once we go in, we will be indicating and showing you guys. And also one is over here, so you can hold it for about 30 seconds. It's 10 seconds originally, but sometimes you have to hold it a little bit longer in order to totally factory reset it. Going on the other side also, you have some holes for ventilation, and then you have the AC connector. This is where you're going to be able to plug it to the electricity, and it will be able to power up. I know that it has a little part so you can take it out and hook up another head, but the only one we received is for Canada, United States, and we're not going to look for international ones. But once you purchase it for different countries, they will be able to send you the one according to your country. And going over here, you have a nice sticker, and this sticker gives you a lot of information. One is you have a little barcode that will take you to the website, and also you have some default parameters, something like web address on your phone or on your computer you can access. So this way you will be able to change your settings, your Wi-Fi name and everything through this. It will tell you where it's made. And then in the bottom part of it, you have the model. So this one takes about 240 volt. It's about 50 to 60 hertz. That will work, and it is 0.3 amps that will make this power up and work. You can see it that on the top, you just have more ventilation so you can breathe. And once you hook it up, it doesn't really heat up that much because it doesn't take that much of electricity. But once you're going to connect it as an extender, we will show you in a few seconds when we connect it to the power that how this really works. So let's go ahead and connect this to the electricity. First, we will connect this to the electricity. And there you go. We will put it this way so you can see the lights. And it is very dim, so let's just try to zoom in so we can see it. So I know that it is very, very faint on, you can see it right now. And let's go through and connect this to our phone, and we will be trying to capture that and show that on the screen step by step what will happen. Alright, so let's go through and show you exactly what you need to see when you are trying to set up your Wi-Fi. So once you go to it, make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi or go into your Wi-Fi, and in this way you're going to be able to see what other networks are available. And you can see that already Wavlink AC is there. There also a one that says N. The one I'm going to select is going to be Wavlink AC. So this is the first connection to it. You have to select it. You will get that you don't have internet connectivity, which is perfectly fine. Once you get out, you have to go to your browser. And then on the browser, you can either go to wifi.wavlink.com, or you can go to your default IP address. Mine is 192.168.10.1, and then automatically takes me to this page. By default, your password is admin, and I'm just going to type it, and then I'm going to say login, and it will go through. And now you will be able to see that it tells you to set up your country or region. So we will click on it. Region, we will leave it under country region, and time zone is mandatory to be set up. So I'm going to set it up properly, which is Eastern region, and then it says new password. So you have to set up a password. In this case, I will just click on it and type my password. Then I will click on Save. And now it says that to select, press OK. So in order to set this up, you can set it up as LAN bridge, which requires for you to put a little connector in the bottom of this, or you can set it up as Wi-Fi repeater. And that's the one I'm going to select as the Wi-Fi repeater. You can see the little check mark there, and you can click on it, and now it will go and take you to a page, and then in the bottom part of it, it will try to log in. So this is where we're going to set up everything. So here you go. I have a bunch of them here. And there you go. So we will select it. Now it will tell us to put the password, which is right here. So we will select that too. And for security purposes, we will hide that password section. And now before we put the password, so we will just delete that part. And then we will click on Connect. So this part will take a little bit of time for it to set up. So it may take up to 2 minutes for this to totally set up. So in that case, you will be able to see a little faint light on the router itself blinking. That means it is setting up, and once it's totally done, it will reboot itself. So this way you will be able to see everything on the screen. And now, since everything is disconnected, we have to go back and reconnect to our Wi-Fi. And there you go. So I'm going to connect it. It will ask me to enter my password. And once my password is entered, I can say connect. And there you go. Now I'm connected and I have internet. So I will press home. I will go back to my browser. Now it will tell me to enter my new password that I set up. And then it says to log in. So I will log in. So now you are connected a lot better, and you can see that all of the icons are there that you really require. And on top of that, if you go down, you have all of your information there. So even your MAC address that I have to hide is all there. So here's a few things that I really like. When you go to settings, you have your internet settings that you can go to. You also have your DHCP settings that you can play with. Also your time zone, you can change that. You have your username and password, so this way when you want to log in to the router itself or to this extender. You also have something for backup, so this way if you want to back up your settings, you will be able to do that. And then once everything is on a factory default, or you want to upgrade your firmware and something goes wrong, you have everything as a backup so you can restore on this. You can also look for firmware upgrade by clicking check, and it says checking right now, or you can also have it downloaded and then you can load it to the extender itself. You also have status, so you can see all of the information about your 5G and about the 2.4, about LAN status, and then internet status, and also version and uptime. The last part is logout. You can click so you can log out just like that, and then we will go back into it. We will go back into settings, and the last part says device reboot. Just in case if something is not really working out, this is where you're going to go and fix and reboot your extender. This way it will reconnect to the Wi-Fi and everything should be working for you flawlessly. So this was our take on the Wavlink Wi-Fi extender. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.